Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Eigiis Smartwatch. To begin, please ensure your new device is completely charged, which usually takes about 2 hours using its magnetic charger. Also, confirm your phone's operating system is up to date, at least Android 10 or iOS 14, for the best connection experience. This preparation ensures a smooth and reliable pairing process for your new device. Next, you will need to download the Essential Companion application. Search for Eigiis Health in your phone's App Store, available on both Apple App Store and Google Play. Once found, proceed with the installation. It is completely free to download. Remember to grant all requested permissions during installation, like access to your location and notifications, so your watch can function perfectly. Now, let us connect your devices through Bluetooth. Open the newly installed Eigiis Health application on your phone and look for the Add Device or Connect Watch option. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable to other devices. Then, select your Eigiis Smartwatch from the list of nearby devices that appears, usually identified by its model number. A pairing request should then pop up on both your phone and watch. Once you have selected your watch, a pairing confirmation will appear on both your Eigiis Smartwatch and your smartphone. Simply tap Confirm on each. After successful pairing, explore the Eigiis Health app to personalize your settings. You can choose from many watch faces, adjust notification preferences, and even set daily activity goals. The app will then begin syncing your watch's data, ensuring everything is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.